Hello people, I'm Stephanie. Welcome to Love That Bite. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken pasta with cream and cranberry sauce. So let's get started. Slice the chicken breast thinly, then season with salt and pepper. Heat 2 tablespoons vegetable oil in large pan. Add the chicken in and stir until fully cooked through. And meanwhile, you can chop an onion and slice 2 cloves garlic. Add them into the pan and saute until the onion turns translucent. Then pour the vegetable stock into the pan. And for the last, I'm gonna add the scallions and some cooked pasta. Season with salt and pepper. Then I'm gonna give a final mix through, and here I have a beautiful pasta dish which is ready to be served with whipped cream and cranberry sauce. Go to LoveThatBite.com for the full description. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you really enjoyed the video, and if you do, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get a new update video. I'll see you next time. Bye!